Look at this hunger buster. Hunger buster.
Okay.
Caught you in the act.
Hello, Iyayi foodies.
Oh, Chineke.
Welcome to business.
Business?
Yes, today is Odipa business.
Odipa business. Odipa very serious.
What didn't
What is
this video?
I don't know how that got into Igbo.
Hello, my fellow Nigerians.
No. No, please, no.
Okay, hello, Iyayi foodies. Today we're taking you to Japan. Esther, Japan. Let's say that.
No.
That is good. Why?
Esther, what did you to where? Where are we going? Japan? Oh, I don't know whether one is on the planet because I know Japan. I don't know Japan. Oh,
Can we just say that, please?
Esther,
I'm taking to Japan. I'm saying Japan. I'm taking to Japan.
taking you to Japan. Esther, is this actually Japanese food?
Yeah, it's Japanese food. We don't know Japanese.
Welcome, Iyayi foodies. No, hold on. Welcome to another episode of IyayisKitchen. Hello, Iyayi foodies.
I'll say hello, Iyayi. I'll start to start with
No, because then you need to know that this is
Then you start with
IyayisKitchen.
I'll say hello, Iyayi foodies.
Sound like an evil man. Oh God. Oh God.
And then you now say,
Oh Jesus. Oh, we're in trouble. Where did this evil accent come from?
I don't know.
I thought please don't sound like an evil one.
I'll try.
Oh,
Hello, Iyayi foodies. And then you continue.
okay, let's start.
Well, there you go. Hello, Iyayi foodies.
Welcome.
Hello, Iyayi foodies.
No. Let's.
Hello, Iyayi foodies.
We're in trouble today.
Bad
Today.
video.
What you are doing? Hello, Iyayi foodies. Okay, no, okay. Let's be serious now, yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'm ready.
Yes.
Hello, Iyayi foodies.
Welcome to another episode of IyayisKitchen. My name is Ruth.
And I'm Esther.
Yeah, today we are going to be
Taking you to Japan. Sorry. We're taking you to Japan. And today I made this lovely udon beef black pepper noodles.
Look how delicious.
This changed my soul. It did. It changed my soul.
Who introduced you to udon noodles?
She did actually.
Yeah.
But if I've had that before.
No, but who introduced you to amazing udon noodles?
But it was a restaurant one day, wasn't it? That made it so.
No, but that made you think of the idea.
Fine, she did.
Here we go.
Anyway, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Oh God, here we go.